Honorable Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay, if that was the dream of the TVK and Vijay's party and the mandate of the people of Tamil Nadu, after 6 days of an extended climax, if you thought that has come to an end, there's a twist in the tail because the governor's office has suggested that Mr. Vijay has only given the names of 116 MLAs and not 118, which is a halfway mark, because there is no clarity or letter from either the VCK or the IUML, which has of course also given a letter, but they have not mentioned the TVK anywhere. They have only said that they are backing the demand or the letter given by DMK leader Mr. MK Stalin, saying that there should be a democratic government formation, and the IUML said they would support that. So, technically speaking, Mr. Vijay has not been able to show the number of 118, and that's why we are told the governor has not yet invited him to take his vote as chief minister. Two things that I must point out here. After that kind of a dramatic win on the 4th of May, if they thought it would be a smooth sail, the Congress in fact came in quickly and extended their support, not wanting to repeat the mistakes of the past. But the other parties, where the small is big, is the story in Tamil Nadu. So the VCK, the CPI, the CPIM, all of which have 2 MLAs each, and also the IUML with 2 MLAs each, where their support was required for Vijay's party TVK to be able to reach the 118 mark. And now, after the communist parties have given their support as well, the goalpost is still a little distance away for Mr. Vijay. Uh, in between, of course, there was the unthinkable kind of a proposal of the ADMK forming a government under APS leadership with DMK backing, giving them outside support. But that is not something that we understand the DMK leadership of Mr. MK Stalin or Kanimozhi were keen on, because that would be political harakiri. For EPS himself, it may have been a question of political survival, since there was a danger that the AIADMK could actually split, or some members could move away to try and see if they could be for part of this TVK government. Of course, AIADMK MLAs were also taken away and put in a resort in Puducherry for the same reason of safeguarding and keeping them as one group. But with the extension of support by the other alliance partners of the DMK, Vijay would have hoped that he would be able to realize the dream of what he mentioned in the Jananayagan movie, I'm coming, but that coming seems to be taking a while still. In Chennai, with camera person Paul Raj, Uma Sudhir for Decoder.